Channel. Got a quick video for you working on my boy's car. We're gonna do the airbags for the 2020 Accord. So a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and let me know and comment. Anyway, without further ado, let's custom it. We are going to change the airbox, so I'll show you how to get it done. Yeah, that's good. All right, now we gotta take out the I'm gonna take it out from here. Unplug it. All right. Okay. So let's take this airbox off. Okay. Oop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oop.
Careful.
I broke your clip. Yeah, I broke the clip. All right, let me. Oh, I told her we're loose.
Yes, loose, but the thing is, yes. Yeah.
It's probably seized up a little. Maybe I can like pull it apart from here. There we go. It's coming out. Just push it out. Okay. The top first.
Yeah, the top that is wow. Why they make it so fragile?
Yeah.
They use cheap stuff, you know.
Yeah, you gotta pop this thing off and then this comes off. Oh, see, it's not us. The clips are really
cheap,
really bad.
These I was able to pop out easy.
Yeah.
Oh, the whole thing is broken.
I mean, have extra.
You can't win whichever way.
Yeah,
It's just to come out.
Okay, just push it down. Alright, that's a 10. Alright guys, so what we're doing is taking this box out. There's a 10 millimeter right here. There's another one on the other side I already took out. I showed you earlier. So we have to take this box out. Okay. Oop, need a little more here. It's what's holding it in the back there. There's something back here. Do you see something holding it? No, this is up. This is up.
Can you raise it up?
Oh,
Right there.
What's that?
It's like a clip.
I think it's one of those things that you pop and oh, I think I may know how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna try something. You see how it's moving?
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Oh, okay. I got it. Okay, guys. All right. You see this this thing right here? It's a rubber. So to take it out, you have to really pull it hard this way. All right. I'll put on an arrow so you guys can see this. So this to put it in, you have to push it down to take it out. You have to put your hand in here and pull it up, and it'll come off. So let's take it out now. All right. So like I said, You see it? So this is just a rubber right here. So the plastic goes into, you have to push it so it can lock underneath it. So there you go, it's out. All right guys, so now we took out the old L box. We got, this is part of the kit that comes with it. So the directions are pretty good, so make sure you follow it to a T. So this rubber needs to start right here at the end right there. So we'll just need something to cut, a pair of scissors or something. So all the way in. Okay, there you go guys. The rubber goes all the way across here and comes out here. You may have to trim a little bit of it right there. All right guys, so the rubber is in. We trimmed it, this end here. Here we go. All right, now let's go and start the installation process. All right guys, so we have to put this rubber here. Yeah, it goes right up here, so you have to push it down and then it should pop in. So let's put it into place, line it up. Oops. Oh, I think it's in. Feels like it's in. All right, just push it down until it locks in. See, it's in. Okay. Now, all right guys, so the kit comes with all the items you'll need. So you need these two washers. So the way it goes, L, K, H, if I'm right. Like the instructions are pretty good, so just read them thoroughly. So basically it goes like this. Okay, and now gotta line it up a little. You have to push it back in here. Okay, I think it's in. Tighten it down. Is it straight? Okay. I have to push this a little. Hold on. Let me loosen it up a little. Okay. Let's try this guy again. Yeah. Yep. Perfect. You can release it now. Now let's tighten everything back. She is in. Here you go guys. Provided screw right here, right there, and there's another provided screw right up here. So now it's secure. You have a push pin? I don't have any. Okay. I mean, actually, I don't know if they're gonna fit. We can check to see if they're gonna fit. All right, guys. So the kit comes with the provided extra outlet or inlet. So grab the MAF. You put the MAF this way. It only goes one way, so you can mess it up. See, like that. And use the screw that was in the original one. It should just fit in right there. Don't have to go too tight, it just snug. That's it. Okay guys, so after you put the MAF on, it does come with provided screw, but you can use the original one. So anyway, this is part of the kit. You got this black piece and you have the screw, it's a big washer, small washer. So you put it exactly like this. The shorter end is gonna go like this, and then you're gonna screw it into here like that. Okay, let's not tighten up too much. Now, okay, you use this this rubber and screw thing. It goes right in here. You use the also provided screw. You have the big washer and this locking nut. Hold on. All right. So next, guys, we got to put this little coupler. It goes right up here, and then I need to find, I think that looks like a 10. All right, so all we have to do is just tighten it all the way down. Not too much so you don't crack anything, but just enough it won't come out. Okay, the other one goes right up here for now. Okay, so next is, I think I'm putting it in correctly, because I think it goes right up here, and just maneuver it to go in here. Oh, that's not gonna work. All right, I got an idea. It's not gonna work this way. Let's take this out. Then put it over here. Now, come on. Okay. Come on. All right. Here we go. So when you put the coupler into this, it's easier to put this in here because of this little guy right here. Put the coupler into this, then you can put it into this. Now we can tighten it back. All right, guys, now we have to tighten this guy as well. Make sure it's, yeah, looks good. Okay, not too much, just enough. There's no air coming through. Okay, it's tight enough. All right, guys, so you also gotta put the washer and the nut that's gonna hold the little intake tube in place. So I have to move this in here to make it snug. All right, guys, so when I originally put this on, it was really too close to this. I just realized that I put this tube in all the way in. So I just pull it out this way, unscrew this, pull it out a little bit so we can put the connector in there. And then I took this out a little so this would sit flush. Now I can tighten this. So now I know this, everything looks good. Pull it out a little here more so there's room so I can put the connector. Okay, now we can tighten this guy back. Okay, now I can also tighten this one back. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, so now we're ready to put the filter in. There it is. It's a nice filter. There we go. So all we have to do is just slide the filter into the spot. Let's go here. There's it. Okay, now it's a matter. Yeah, hold that. This doesn't go. Okay, this is an 8. Okay, that is it. Now we gotta put the math connector in, push it through this hole there. And then connect it. Boom. There we go. What do you guys think? So here it is, guys. It is installed. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I didn't give you a sound of how it sound. But we're gonna try to see, give you the after. I forgot to do the before, but anyway, this is good to go. All right, guys. So I added this back in the instruction. It doesn't say anything about adding this. Rather than let it hang it around, I just got a couple pop clip, 1, 2, and 3. We can't really put these, this one right here, but I think it's because of the way the box is. It's touching right there, but I feel better having it to like redirect the air into the intake. So there you go. I think it looks good. So we're gonna start it and then probably do some test drive, see what we think. Okay guys, I forgot to mention, you gotta follow the direction fairly well. They are really good directions, so follow them very well if you have some issues, but the video pretty much shows what you need to do. Okay, flip it over. Here they are, so follow that direction very well and watch the videos. Ready, go ahead and start.
Wait, do it again? Do it again? Oh, yeah, here.
Alright guys, the video for the air intake for the 2020 Accord is all done. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It sounds nice. When you're on the highway, you hit the gas, you really hear it, which is nice. And also I think you get a little extra power. I don't know exactly how much, but it feel, my friend said he definitely feels there's a change. It feels like a little bit more power. My friend has the 1.5 turbo and definitely said he feels a little bit more extra power, and it sounds good when you really hit the gas. I hope you could have heard it in the when I started it, but if you guys need extra videos to hear what it sounds like, just let me know. But so far, my friend like it. Might lose a little bit of a mile per hour. I think he said he lost 1 to 2, you know, depending on his driving ability, you know, just because you're getting more air into the car, so that's normal that you might lose a little bit mpg. So anyway, he likes it. He loved a little extra power. So well, this one is all done too, guys. Like and subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. So until the next time, peace.